This car completely refuses to start. But the second I loosen this fuel pipe nut, it fires right up. All right, guys, we just finished a complete engine overhaul on this Toyota Camry. But right after putting it back together, we ran into a crazy problem. The car completely refuses to start. I've checked everything, but here is the mind-blowing part. The second I loosen this fuel line nut, the engine fires right up, but as long as it's tight, it just cranks and dies. What do you think is causing this crazy pressure trap? But wait, it gets even crazier. The exact second I unplug the fuel pump connector, the car fires right up, or if I crack open this fuel line nut to bleed off the pressure, it starts immediately too. This means the engine is completely flooding out due to extreme fuel pressure. The moment we cut the power to the pump or leak the fuel out, the air-fuel ratio balances back up. This car completely refuses to start. But the second I loosen this fuel pipe nut, it fires right up. Hey guys, my channel, subscribe and like and share.